Hey there, car lovers. Do you think you know your cars? Well, buckle up, because today we're flashing back to 1977 with a fun and challenging quiz. You'll see a photo of a car from 1977, and then you'll get to choose the correct make and model from a few options. Some are easy, others not so much. Why'd I pick 1977? No special reason. It just felt like a cool year with some pretty cool cars. Let's fire up the engine and get started. Your first car is coming right up. Okay, here's our first car. What is this? Is it a 1977 Datsun B210, a 1977 Opel Manta, a 1977 Toyota Celica, or a 1977 Mazda RX-4? Think about it for a second. And then we will see if you got it right. 1977 Toyota Celica. The Celica was known for its sporty fastback design and Japanese engineering. Okay, so see how this works? Let's move on to the next car. So, what is this? Is it a 1977 GMC Jimmy? A 1977 International Scout, a 1977 Dodge Ram Charger, or a 1977 Ford Bronco? Think about it for a second. Let's see if you got it right. It is a 1977 Ford Bronco. The Bronco was known for its short wheelbase, utilitarian boxy shape, and removable top. I always like these. Okay, next car. What is this? Is it a 1977 Fiat 131 Mirafiori, 1977 Datsun 510, 1977 Peugeot 504, or a 1977 Volkswagen Passat? This is a harder one. I didn't know what this one was. Let's see if you do. It is a 1977 Fiat 131 Mirafiori. It was known for its boxy styling, rally heritage, and rear-wheel drive platform. Okay, did you get that one right? Let's move on. The next car. What is this? Is this a 1977 Mazda B1600 pickup, a 1977 Datsun 620 pickup, a 1977 Chevy Love, or a 1977 Ford Courier pickup? Do you know? Let's see if you get it right. It is a 1977 Datsun 620 pickup. This pickup was popular in the late 1970s for its durability, low ride height, and slanted rear cab window. Okay, so now let's move on to the next car. What is this? Is it a 1977 Alfa Romeo Spider, a 1977 Datsun 280Z, a 1977 MG MGB, or a 1977 Porsche 914? Let's see if you know what this one is. It is a 1977 MG MGB Roadster. This British Roadster was one of the best-selling sports cars of its time. One of the last cars to use all rubber bumpers. That's a fun fact. Okay, let's move on to the next. What is this? Is it a 1977 Maserati Merak, a 1977 Lamborghini Urraco, a 1977 Triumph TR7, or a 1977 Lotus Esprit? It's a cool looking car. What is it? It is a 1977 Lotus Esprit. This car gained fame in a James Bond film. It features a mid-engine and a wedge-shaped design. It's called the folded paper style. Okay, let's move on to the next car. What is this? Is it a 1977 Pontiac Bonneville, a 1977 Ford LTD, a 1977 Chevrolet Caprice, or a 1977 Oldsmobile Delta 88. Let's see if you get it right. What do you think it is? It is a 1977 Ford LTD. This full-size sedan was a flagship family car, offered a plush ride, vinyl roof, chrome, and tons of space inside. Okay, we're going to take a little break before we get to the next one. I just want to ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you get notified every time I put out some new content. And also I want to ask you to comment below. I want to comment with your score, how many of these you got right. Also comment on the quiz itself. Did you have fun with it? I hope so. Okay, next car. What is it? Is this a 1977 Mazda GLC, a 1977 Subaru DL, a 1977 Honda Civic, or a 1977 Ford Pinto? And it is a 1977 Honda Civic. This groundbreaking compact hatchback from Japan met the U.S. emission standards without a catalytic converter. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's move on to the next car. What is this? Is it a 19? And what is this? A 1977 Dodge D100, a 1977 Chevrolet C10, 1977 Ford F-150, or a 1977 Jeep J10 Gladiator. Did you get it right? You know your trucks? It is a 1977 Dodge D100. This truck featured upgraded interior features, two-tone paint, and chrome to make it look more upscale. Okay, what's our next car? What is this? Is this a 1977 International Scout? A 1977 Land Rover Series 3? A 1977 Dodge Ram Charger? Or a 1977 Toyota Land Cruiser? You know what this guy is? It's pretty popular back in the day. The 1977 Toyota Land Cruiser. This iconic off-road 4x4, known for its boxy, rugged design, durability, and go-anywhere reputation. Did you get that one? Okay, let's move on. What's the next car? What is this? Is it a 1977 Dodge Charger, a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, a 1977 Chevrolet Camaro, or a 1977 Mercury Cougar? Did you know what this one is? What did you guess? It is a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am. This car was iconic by starring in the Smokey and the Bandit movie. This is a muscle car legend. Aggressive front end, T-tops, and plenty of speed. Here's our next car. What is this? Is it a 1977 Dodge Aspen, a 1977 Ford Granada, a 1977 Plymouth Volare, or a 1977 Buick Skylark? What do you think? It is a 1977 Plymouth Volare. Plymouth tried to capture some muscle car flair with this mid-size family-friendly sedan, which also came in a coupe and wagon version. Okay, let's go to our next car here. What is this? Is this a 1977 Triumph Spitfire, a 1977 Jensen Healey, a 1977 MG Midget, or a 1977 Datsun 1600 Roadster? Let's see if you got it right. What do you think it is? It is a 1977 Triumph Spitfire. This British Roadster offered a fun ride on a budget. Rear-wheel drive, clamshell hood. It was a convertible and lightweight. Okay, here's our next car. What is this? A 1977 Cadillac Eldorado, 1977 Buick Regal, 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass, or a 1977 Ford Thunderbird? What's your choice? What do you think it is? It is a 1977 Ford Thunderbird. This large-size luxury coupe is known for its long, sleek profile, plush interior, and upscale features. Okay, here's our last car for this quiz. See if you can get it right. What is this? Is this a 1977 Datsun 200SX, a 1977 Ford Mustang II, a 1977 Mercury Capri, or a 1977 Chevrolet Monza? It is a 1977 Datsun 200SX. This is Datsun's attempt at a sporty, affordable car. It had wedge styling, rear-wheel drive, and it tried to compete with the Celica. Okay, so there you go. Those were 15 cars. How many of them did you get right? Hopefully most of them. But that's a wrap on our 1977 car quiz. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun playing as I had putting it together. So let me know your score down in the comments below. Out of 15, how many did you get right? If you've got any ideas for future quizzes, different years, car brands, or even just ways I can make these quizzes better, drop your thoughts below. I read every comment and really appreciate the feedback. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Till next time, keep on cruising.